Last time, Team Hatzi, I had finally finished editing the draft of the Hatzi ad, and Team Hatzi, the feedback I received from you was amazing. It went a bit like this, Team Hatzi. You did not like the Hatzi spelling because it was not very good. You wanted me to add you into the video, and you actually really liked it. After editing the Hatzi video and finishing up after some time, Team Hatzi, it was now time to finally fill out the forms on the Beast website and send them the Hatzi video, and this, Team Hatzi, went a bit like this.
You've got mail.
It is time to see if the Beast magazine replied. I hope they have. Oh, hello Team Hatzi, it's day 120 of the 180-day challenge. And today, we're seeing if the magazine, the Beast magazine, we're seeing if they have replied. Let me just check. Emails. Nothing, Team Hatzi, they have not replied. Oh my god. But that's alright, Team Hatzi, because we're going to show them that the Hatzi movement is strong. I had an idea, Team Hatzi, and my idea was for all of you out there to comment on their latest post on Instagram at Hatzi.original. And the results, Team Hatzi. Team Hatzi, look at this. If I look up the Beast magazine and I go on their latest post, Team Hatzi, we are killing it. Look at this. Look at all the comments. Hatzi.original, at Hatzi.original. This is what we're trying to do. We're trying to make the Beast, their magazine, aware of Team Hatzi and get the word out so we, Team Hatzi, can get in their magazine. We're showing them that the Hatzi movement is strong, and after bombarding the Beast magazine with text after text after text after text of at Hatzi.original, it was time to come up with a plan B. So Team Hatzi, this is what I did. I asked you, that's right, I asked you Team Hatzi, if you knew any other magazine company that would love to have Hatzi in their magazine. Team Hatzi keep asking me what I want to do after the 100. Hello Team Hatzi, it is day 121 of the 180-day challenge. And Team Hatzi, I've been struck with so many questions asked me from you guys. What do I want to do after the 180-day challenge? And what is going to happen to Hatzi after the 180-day challenge? Well, Team Hatzi, I'm going to tell you right now that Hatzi will stay. And Hatzi won't just go away. Well, that rhymes, Team Hatzi, and that sounds pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to tell you what's going to happen after Hatzi. This is the goal, this is the vision I've been dreaming of. Sorry Team Hatzi, I was getting a bit distracted. Well, the goal of Hatzi, we're going to have a group of about 5 people. And do you remember the Hatzi house that we kept joking about, Team Hatzi? Well, that might even become a reality. These 5 people will work on building Hatzi, making clothes better, and making Hatzi clothes amazing, Team Hatzi. So what they'll actually be doing, we won't be in the studio anymore, Team Hatzi. We won't be surrounded by walls. We won't be like boring, because we'll be actually moving, we'll be on the streets, we'll be asking people what do they not like about their clothes, we'll be interviewing people, we'll be doing every Team Hatzi to make these videos more entertaining and to get you the best clothes ever. So now, Team Hatzi, that I've shared with you the vision, it was time for me to ask you, what do you want to see Hatzi do after the 180-day challenge? I can't wait to see what Team Hatzi are going to say about what they want Hatzi to do after the 180-day challenge. Hello, my name's Margaret and I've been here since day 1 of the 180-day challenge. And what I want from Team Hatzi to do after the 180-day challenge, I don't want them to go anywhere, I want them to stay. Hey all you Team Hatzis out there, my name's Ryan and I've been following Hatzi since day 50 and I love how they're so eco-friendly. What I want to see Hatzi do after the 180-day challenge, I want them to do challenges about being their best. For example, 30 days doing 10 things on their bucket list and being their best. Peace.
Hello, I'd rather not say my name. I've been following Hatzi since day 100, and after the 180-day challenge, well, I want them to build a community of about 5 people and go out all day, every day, and ask people about their clothes and document it and show us on YouTube so they can get heaps and heaps of subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. Team Hatzi's the best.
Team Hatzi, you heard that mysterious man. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed and support the Hatzi YouTube channel. This is the 156th email I've sent to a magazine company. Hello Team Hatzi, it was day 123 and well, I spent all day contacting thousands and thousands of magazine companies to hope that we can get Hatzi into one. I asked you Team Hatzi and the ones that you told me, I replied to all of them. Team Hatzi, one of them have replied back. They have said that they want to organise an interview. Yep, they have said that they want to organise an interview, Team Hatzi. It's a bit up in the air at the moment and I don't know when. Searching for the Hatzi house. Team Hatzi, it was day 124 of the 180-day challenge and today something amazing happened. Something historic happened, Team Hatzi. The Hatzi shirts had finally arrived, and this was so beautiful, Team Hatzi. Finally seeing them in person, I was so shocked. And when I saw them, Team Hatzi, well, just have a look. Team Hatzi, I'm wearing the Hatzi shirt and it feels so amazing. Look at it, Team Hatzi. It is so beautiful and I absolutely love it, Team Hatzi. And this is what the 180-day challenge was all about. It was about making a sustainable piece of clothing that is beautiful and extremely comfortable, Team Hatzi. Can't believe we've done it, Team Hatzi, and we have done this. We have made this together through countless hours and hours of researching, asking you, how can we change the design? Team Hatzi, this is what we have made together, and it is beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It was now time, Team Hatzi, to finally give you your Hatzi shirts that you have been waiting for so long. I received some photos today, Team Hatzi, of you wearing the Hatzi shirts, and they look amazing on you. Team Hatzi, I did an interview with one of you, and we have one question about the Hatzi shirts. What are we going to do with the Hatzi box? What are you going to use it for, Team Hatzi? So in the meantime, Team Hatzi, make sure you answer that question down in the comments below. Follow the Hatzi Daily Instagram, and remember, Team Hatzi, to always be your best.